How to duplicate the laser key by to M to Tank CNC key cutting machine. Turn on the machine. These two keys, original key is short, but key blank is long. How to solve this problem? First of all, connect the machine by Bluetooth. Click the series number. Bluetooth is already connected. Enter universal key duplication. Inner groove for tracks. Select tip. This key is thin. Select position B. Pay attention. Clean the grease on the original key. Click OK. It shows how to install the key on the clamp. Pay attention. Key location is very important. Click Continue. The machine is scanning the tracks of the original key. And then scan the other side. Key tracks are appearing. And then install the key blank on the same way of location. Finally, click Cut. Finish cutting both sides. Cleaning the particles. Different lengths, but same tracks. Trying to turn the lock. Perfect cutting.